Hi everyone, just recording a video to show how you can use SAP SuccessFactors, and in this case our EPI-USE Payroll Control Center booster to really understand retros that are happening in your system. Because, you know, as awesome as the functionality is in SAP, part of it is you want to know when they're happening and what might have caused it, right? So logged into the Payroll Control Center, you can see I have a section here with some tiles which can show, you know, in this case, one employee out of my 179 have a retro. I can see how that kind of compares across periods, where in the previous period I had more in this case, and I can even see retro over the total number of periods. And then if I click into this, I can even see information such as, okay, who is the employee that had the retro and the number of retros that this employee has. So I could get a list here. But to make this even easier, what we could do is have an alert. And so that's what we have here. So if I go over to my policies and drill into the folder, I can search and say, okay, large number of payroll retros. In this case, what this rule does is tell me anyone that has a retro over 5 periods, right? And so it's identified that Sophia Anderson has it, and in this case, 25 periods. So I'm going to go over to my alerts. I'll click into this to kind of look at it and be a payroll administrator that's investigating it. And so as I click into it, I can go to Sophia and say, okay, my rule says tell me anyone with more than 5. Of course, this is configurable. It could be 2, it could be 10, it could be whatever you'd like to set it to. And then we're going to provide details, right? So Sophia, she's in Atlanta, she's a salaried employee, tax company. What other alerts has this Sophia triggered? What period are we in? When do we run the test payroll results? And then if I scroll down, I can even get the pay statement, right? And so in this case, I'll look at the pay statement and see, oh, okay, so clearly going all the way back to 1/15/2023, well, this employee has a retro. I can go over to solutions and look at the data in SuccessFactors. In this case, I, from the pay statement, know it's their base salary that was updated. So I can actually come here, look at the change record in SAP SuccessFactors, and I can quickly see that this was updated on February 4th, 2025, which is the date, today's date, the recording of this video, and we updated it as of January 1st, 2023. So that is why it's going back all the way to that period. If I go back to PCC, you'll notice we are in period 2, 2024. So it's over a full year retro that you can do it. So this really gives that context and understand what is going on and makes it really easy to identify. Thanks for watching.